Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was inspired heavily by this Instagram filter that I keep seeing around. I think it's just really cool, so I wanted to recreate it with makeup today. I have this choker that I've had for a long time that's purple with a dragon on it, so I decided that I would make the dragon purple to match. So if you want to know how I did this today, then keep on watching. Alright, let's start off with the face, so I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to go in with a light layer of my ColourPop No Filter foundations and blend it out with a Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm going to lightly conceal with my ColourPop No Filter concealer and blend it out using my Morphe M173 brush. While we're here, I'm going to quickly prime my eyes with that same brush and my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. Now I'm going to set our concealed areas using my Morphe E48 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder and my Morphe M527 brush. I'm also going to set my eyelids really fast with a white eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to quickly contour using my Morphe E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. For blush, going in with Holiday by ColourPop on my Morphe M405 brush. I'm going to apply some blush on my temples and my nose as well. And a little bit on my chin too. Okay, now I'm going to add some fake freckles, so to do that I'm going to use some nail dotting tools and the NYX Liquid Lips in the shade Romance Me and Hooked on Love. I'm going to tap over them to blend them into my skin, and it also picks up some of the product and makes more freckles in the process as well. Okay, I'm all done applying the freckles. I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of blush to help blend them more into my skin. Okay, now for the part you've probably all been waiting for, the dragon. I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Liquid Lip in I'm Royalty on a Morphe M250-1 brush to create the dragon today. I have a picture pulled up right here of myself with the filter on. It is the same picture that I showed you earlier, so let's get to work. But before I get started, I want to make sure that I get it as perfect as possible and as symmetrical and proportionate as possible. So I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics white concealer on that M250-1 brush and just to make a nice rough sketch of where everything's going to line up so I have a nice outline. I will be right back when I'm all done with this. Okay, it took us a very long time to get us where we are now, but I'm hoping when I go in with the purple, it'll go by a lot faster. Now I'm going to take that same brush and Jeffree Star's Liquid Lip in I'm Royalty and go over this outline. Alright, here's the dragon. It's not perfect, but it is really good, and it took a long time, so I am happy with it. So for my lower lashes, I'm going to use the ColourPop Colored Mascara in the shade Purple Prose. I don't think it'll really show up that well, but I just thought it would be a fun little addition to our look. Now for lips, I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Lip in the shade Exquisite. And I am going to overlay my lips as well because the filter does make your lips look a lot bigger, but I'm not going to do it that much because that's just too much for me. Almost forgot about highlight. I'm going to use Marshmallow from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit on a Morphe M501 brush. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!